We are wrapping up chapter 2 or unit 2, which is still review from last year. And we talked about percentages, how to use cross multiplication and proportions to solve for either percentages of numbers or a number that is a given percent of another number, and so on and so forth. And today we're going to talk about percent change. This is our final topic in Unit 2 that I'm going to review. It's percent change. So a percent change expresses the amount of change as a percent of an original amount. Okay, this is where some value has changed, either increased or decreased, and we want to look at the percent of the original amount that it's changed by. Okay, so there are two potential options, which is pretty obvious. The first is the percent increase, where the new amount is greater than the original amount. So if you had something that was worth $10 and it increased to $15, that's a percent increase. Okay. To find the percent increase, we're going to take the new amount, we're going to subtract the original amount, and we're going to divide that by the original amount. New amount minus the original amount divided by the original amount. Okay? Percent decrease is where the amount is going to have gone down. So the original amount is greater than the new amount. So for percent decrease, to calculate it, we subtract original amount minus the new amount divided by the original amount. Okay? So you'll often see questions kind of like this, and this is what we're going to work on today. Okay? Here it says you have a new amount, an original amount, and you need to tell whether each change is an increase or decrease, and then find the percent change. Right? So here we have new amount $12, original amount $15. So if the new amount is less than the original amount, this is a percent decrease. Right? It's a decrease because 15 is greater than 12. So to find the percent decrease, right? Let's say percent change. It's really decrease equals original minus new over original. Well, the original was 15, right? Minus, I'm going to use the dollar signs here, and then I'm going to get rid of them eventually. 12, the new divided by the original, which is 15. So that gives us $3 divided by $15. And 3 divided by 15, the dollar signs essentially cancel out, is 1/5, right? Divided by 3, divided by 3. And that's 20%. Okay? 20% is the percent change. Now, I included the dollar signs here. I'm not going to do that going forward, but we know that they're going to eventually cancel out when we're finding the percent. Okay, so let's move over to our second example. The new amount is $25.50. The original amount is $22.25. If the new amount is greater than the original amount, this is an increase, right? So to find our percent change, new amount, which is $25.50, minus the original amount, minus $22.25, all over the original, $22.25. So that gives us $3.25 divided by $22.25, which equals 15%. Okay? It actually equals, when you divide this out, it gives you 0.15. 0.15 is 15%. Okay? This would give you 0.2. Let's go down and do our last two. Okay? Now we have a new amount of $27,000, an original amount of $22,500. I'm just going to make sure this is from focus. Right? So if the new amount is greater than the original amount, that is a percent increase. We've got the new amount, $27,000, right? Minus the original. Whoops, $2,500. Sorry about that. Divided by the original, $22,500, which equals 27,000 minus 22,500 is 4,500, divided by 22,500. This, once again, is going to give us 0.20 or 20%. Same as above. Well, this is an increase, that was a decrease. Last one, new amount $425, original amount 5. The new amount's less than the original amount. This is a decrease. Okay? The original amount, $5. Subtract the new amount, 4.25. Divide by the original. gives us 0.75 divided by 5.00. This is going to give us the same thing, 0.15, which equals 15%. Okay. So that is how we figure out percent change. Percent change is when some value, value has changed, and we want to know the percent by which it changed. Percent increase, the new amount's going to be greater. We're going to subtract the original amount from the new amount and divide by the original. Percent decrease, the new account is less than the original. Original minus new divided by original.